Hi, and welcome to Apple Cottage. This is Sandy, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Apple Cottage Kitchen. This is where you'll see a lot of my videos come from, unless we're outside. On my channel, I would like to share my love of gardening, sewing, crafts, art, cooking, baking, canning, dehydrating, growing everything possible I can on my suburban homestead. Now, what is a suburban homestead? A suburban homestead is a homesteader that actually lives within the city limits. But they try to be self-sufficient, self-sustaining, and self-reliant. And that's what I consider myself. I try to produce as much food possible to keep us through the entire year, growing, trading, bartering. I think you can do a lot of things that you would do on a homestead that you can do in a suburban lot. And so a lot of my videos will be talking about that. I try to make everything possible I can. There's videos on making vanilla, raisin vinegar, just all kinds of salves and lotions. You will just learn a lot of things from my channel. Now, I am an old woman. It's true. I love that fact. I love that well over 60 years I have been learning and growing, and I'd like to share that with you. So I live in the northeast corner of Wyoming. The town that I live in is Gillette. It's about the third most populated city in our state, though we are the least populated city or state in the entire United States. And I love it. I love the four seasons. I love the cold, the hot, the rain, the spring, the summer, the fall, winter. I love it all. Though you may hear me complain every once in a while, because that is life, and sometimes we complain. But Joe and I have lived here for about 15 years. We came from South Dakota, and we always thought we would retire back in South Dakota, but we love our life, we love our house, we love our friends, and we only have to drive 2 hours to see our grandkids. But I would like you to just really enjoy my videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with the world. And every Tuesday and Thursday morning, I do Gardening Together. That's a video series that we do different aspects of gardening. And I hope we can really learn and grow in that aspect. Way of background. I'm a master gardener. I have been since we moved to Wyoming. I try to do at least 80 to 100 hours of continuing education because I think that's important. And I'd like to share a lot of those things that I learn and grow and know with everybody else. So I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you enjoy my channel. Please subscribe. There should be a little bell you can click also that every time I have a new video, it will pop up. I'm giving away a little talking hamster when I get to 100 subscribers. So that shouldn't take too long. And then I'll do another giveaway at 200 and so on. And I just hope you have a wonderful 2020. Today is January 1st, 2020. And this year could be your brightest and best ever. Be self-sufficient, be self-reliant. And I hope you enjoy suburban homesteading. And this is Sandy at Apple Cottage.